So I sharpened my spikes. First I made this all smooth on the outside. A very sharp spine there. Cleaned that up. And then I sharpened that and followed the angle that it came from the factory. But the problem is I'm going into softwood. And when I paused and moved around a little bit, they actually sunk in this much. They sunk in all the way up to here, which is too much. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flatten this out. This has got a certain angle, like this. I'm going to flatten it out more like that. That's the way we used to do drill bits in the machine shop when you're changing materials. Right out, almost. So you can see this one here, it used to be that steep. Now it's that steep. It's flatter. Still has a point on it, but it's flatter. So I have a burr on there, right there. There's a burr. We'll take that off my stone here. Again, I'm flat on this side. I am not rounding. Okay. I'm just taking off any burr that peeled over. Okay. The trick is not to go out too far where you end up rocking over it. You just kind of. So there we go. So now you take your fingernail. You can see that very sharp edge on that side. I didn't round it off. Okay, when I worked on the outside, I came up straight. I came up straight like that. Again, this side here. There you go. There you go. Peeling my fingernail. Okay. This one here. Peeling my fingernail. This one here. Peeling my fingernail. So those things are shaped. So those things are sharp. They're just more blunt. I took the angle that was steep like this and I flattened it out like that for softwood.